Alright, I'm out here at 9th Street in Cullman, and there's been an update here. For whatever reason, both of the General Signals Type 2 evals here have been replaced with these NEG evals. Not entirely sure why CSX did this, but certainly interesting nonetheless. Oh, and I also just now noticed, see there's the second one, but I also just now noticed that gate arm has an NEG LED gate light on it. So yeah, I won't be surprised if this crossing gets upgraded for too long. Looks like they're upgrading Arnold Street because there's a bunch of orange piping around the crossing. According to a cop I talked to earlier, apparently their CSX is gonna be, apparently City of Cullman wants a quiet zone, at least in their downtown area. Don't know if this crossing will be, probably will be, I'm guessing. Wasn't sure what the third crossing was, but it's either going to be this one or Mitchell Road, which I have yet to record. And I probably should see that recording because it's got a nice pair of gateless L&N arrow signals. But yeah, just thought I'd show you all this real fast. Just some new e-bells and a new LED gate light at 9th Street in Cullman. Over and out.